Have you ever been part of a project where roles were unclear, leading to confusion, delays, or duplicated efforts? In quality management, defining responsibilities is critical to success. So, how can you ensure everyone knows their role? The answer lies in the RACI Matrix. In today's session from Quality Capsule, we'll explore the RACI Matrix. So let's get started. So, what exactly is a RACI Matrix? Imagine you're working on a project with a team and everyone's a bit confused about who's supposed to do what. That's where the RACI Matrix comes in. It's like a teamwork cheat sheet that helps everyone know their role and avoid stepping on each other's toes. RACI is actually an acronym, and each letter stands for a different role someone can play in a task or project. Here's how it works. R is for responsible. These are the people doing the actual work. If something needs to get done, they're the ones rolling up their sleeves and making it happen. There can be more than one person responsible for a task.
A is for accountable. This is the one person who owns the task. They're the go-to when someone asks, "Did this get done?" Even if others are helping, only one person should be accountable. It keeps things clean and clear.
C is for consulted. Think of these folks as your subject matter experts. You'll want their advice or input before you move forward. You check in with them, ask questions, and maybe get feedback. They don't do the task, but they help shape how it's done.
I is for informed. These are the people who need to stay in the loop. They're not involved in doing the work or giving input, but they still need to know what's going on. Regular updates or notifications are enough here.
In a healthcare setting, especially in quality improvement initiatives, clear role delineation is critical. Imagine a clinical pathway redesign project. Without a RACI matrix, you might have multiple people working on the same task, or worse, no one taking ownership. A well-structured RACI matrix helps ensure that clinical leaders, nursing teams, data analysts, and quality improvement staff understand who is doing what. It streamlines communication and ensures accountability. Two core principles of effective quality management.
To recap, the RACI Matrix is a clarity tool. It's simple but incredibly effective in fostering transparency, accountability, and coordination, all of which are foundational to quality improvement and healthcare project success. Thank you for watching, and always remember, empowering quality professionals one capsule at a time. This is your Quality Capsule, where quality meets career growth.